You got two big. But you have a sewing needle. That'll work better. Oh, how did they get in here? What the fuck? Oh. Yep. Up top.
They're taking Alpha.
Fuck, we're out of ammo, dude.
Let's kick some ass. Yeah, good to go.
Guys, do we seriously not have a commander?
I am an agent of change. Everything that he says he is, actually am. And when he mentioned that the ticket prices were too high, especially when it's floppy fat, gotta go.
Stand B. Everybody runs at some point or another.
Structure enough, or I'm gonna smack the left side of your face into the right side of your face.
What the hell was that? That was a really powerful grenade. Left close. That green wall. I see movement. It's to the left over there. So I figure I'll let you know. Bomber in the middle. Reloading. I trust that guy behind me, I guess. Yeah. If I aim that way, I can't see him though. That's the only problem. Let's see. I think Oh, I can't actually. I can do that and have that now work even better.
Okay.
I got one mag. I got like 200, I think. Yeah. M249, baby.
I'm good.
With a 1.5 times sight so I can zoom in on these fuckers and pop them in the face. That's ridiculous. That's too. That's ridiculous though. You don't need a 7 times. What the fuck are you trying to do? Hunt somebody 10 miles away? Sevens. No, probably not. Because that scope I had on that rifle I had went from like 4 to 21 or something like that. I forgot. This gun isn't one shot, one kill. I actually got land doing pretty good. Yeah.
Cover me. I'm reloading.
That man should have been cut in half. Yeah. Well, you gotta do what you gotta do, man. Where the fuck did he come from? Why was he just back there jumping? That was a good shot. Yeah, I know, it's getting on my fucking nerve. I'm letting off bursts too. I'm like, why? I'm out of ammo.
I need to reload.
Ooh, I domed that. Yeah, I domed that guy from so far away. And that would give me that, but I only have. Nah, go back to that for now. And give me that ammo carrier. Oh yeah. Oh, I can make do with this. I can make dues with
Good to go.
this. Can you? Can you? Good, okay.
Well, go back. You can go there. You can WWE superstar you want. You can do their insurance.
What gun you got? Oh, okay. Yeah. Left side. It doesn't for me. I was underneath, thank goodness. Yeah. It's a dead guy. I shot the same body I shot 15 bullets into. I came back. I put a couple more into him. Yeah. Who the fuck is that in front of us? Yeah. I'm gonna throw a fresh box in. 2 coming in. Go for it. Okay, dude. What the fuck is these people made out of? Oh, they shot me through the barrel, man. Good shit. Yeah, you ain't got that one thing on it. Got two now. Uh-huh. Oh, neither. Yeah, that's all you gotta do. Ain't that complicated. Don't fucking matter.
Okay, let's do it.
That's why I went to sleep today at fucking like 3 o'clock. I think I'm a little tired. I got up this morning at 9 o'clock, like 8:30. I'm gonna go take me a nap. That's what I did. Uh, way too many of them made it out for me to put that much ammo down the range. A few going to the left side, it looks like. Yeah. I mean, that's... whatever. I wonder what that guy thought he was gonna do. Yeah, I know. I put like a bunch of rounds in that group of like 20 of them. A few of them fell over.
Cover me. I'm reloading.
Are you good reloading? Okay, reloading now. Hurry up and fucking reload, please.
Back on ammo, guys.
Nope. I'm not sure where that came from. Yep. Good shit. Okay. Yeah, always.
Yeah, good to go.
No. It is.
All right, I'm good.
Alright. Sweaty hands. Yeah. Yeah, I see that. Captain Champion, man. That's crazy. Uh-oh. I see that. Don't matter. Oh, from the left already. It was shooting through walls at me. I just got 2 headshots with 1 bullet. That was pretty cool there. What? Sir? He ducked as soon as I shot at him. They have really good reflexes. I guess one over there. Throwing a fresh mag in right quick. Ah. I got killed.
Shit there, Bravo!
They're shooting me through stuff. This is not cool. My gun's empty, so I wouldn't grab my gun. They threw a smoke at you.
Damn it, boy. They do need for that game. Hey, not 25% off the WrestleMania tickets.
Do what now?
5% off WrestleMania tickets. Yeah. Now the money's not.
Well, I guess they're charging $20,000 a ticket. Crazy.
The big play like Jelly Roll.
That's how it goes. You lost the volume. You're the force. I'm the volume. I blame you.
Yeah, good to go.
Good, you deserve it. I think I'll go back to what I had a second ago.
Ah, fuck. Sounds weird.
Yeah. I'm getting shot through every building on the fucking map. There's a guy over there in the ground shooting at me through that fucking concrete pillar like you're standing beside right now. Couldn't see him, he was shooting me the entire time. I was just like, why? Eventually gets he shot through the motherfucker. Just killed my ass, so. Yeah, like, what the fuck?
Guys, do we seriously not have a commander?
There's nowhere good for me to sit up here either, which fucking sucks.
Chicken nuggets haven't been? Sure. But the intro is not. Inside a sled.
Alright. I was right here though. I don't know how I died. They threw one out there, but it exploded halfway up the fucking like the tower. It seemed like.
From sports to culture. What about you for silence? Just leave it.
Shit, I was in my last pistol mag. Nice. Got 109. 20 assists. The people that you killed after I killed, you just helped finish them off a little bit. Like I shot him in the head, it was like, you